Hello, I'm Ifaz Abdullah, and in this video we are going to solve the question for the perfect party. Over here in this video I have discussed all the HTML aspects of it, how we stylized it using the CSS codes, and overall we followed the overall question pattern. In the first question they have told you to create a template, to create a logo, and to set the title as H1. And the next one, they have the HTML aspects of it, how to merge all the columns and the alignments of it. And finally, we finish it off with another page, the birthday one, which we will link through the home page. And there would be some images. The aspect ratios would be 450 to 300 pixels, and a footer, and finally an email to go along with it. And feel free to ask me any questions in the comment sections if you have any, and that's mainly it. Thank you. Alright, this is your question for the perfect party. Brogan wants you to create 2 web pages for the perfect party new website. Content for the web pages is stored. Okay, she wants you to create these 2 links, home, birthday, and web page must be saved as .html. Okay, create a template for the web pages. The template must include the logo you created, text, its party time, the navigation bar, title bar, and the color scheme is given. Okay, for this question we have previously solved this question in what software?
Composer.
No, Composer. Okay, but now we will do it through VSCode. So before we do that, you need to have everything in a folder. For my case, I have put everything in this folder, named it A3, and I have chosen 2 images from the data files, and this is my logo.jpg. Okay, this is the overall structure. When you begin, you will have these 3 images, that's it. You won't have these 2 parts, index.html and birthday.html. We have to create that. So we will head over to VS Code, then click on File, then click on Open Folder and select that folder. For my case, I have selected that A3 folder. Then you have to click on File, New Text File. Over here, you can simply select the language, which is HTML, and type your code over here as HTML. For this case, we don't need it anymore. I have already done that. Okay. Let's go through the entire code now. First off, doctype.html. You have any idea what is doctype.html? Arham? What is it called? I mean, what's the purpose of it? It will tell the browser that it's the modern HTML file, modern HTML.5 file. Okay. And .en, this is just a root element. It specifies that if everything you are writing is in English. Okay. Aisha, look carefully. We are explaining each one of the lines. This head part, what is it? It's the container. It will contain all the data. It will not be directly visible to you yet, but it will contain everything that will be for in the eventually. That what I meant. Okay. Next part is UTF-8. That's just the character. Like it's a code, standard symbol, standard character symbol, and it will give you the text characters. And this is where the actual stuff begins. You have the title part, the title perfect party, and below that we have the styling of it. You can see the background color which I have set according to the question, the colors, the font family, and it says it's in sans serif font in your question. That's how I have done it. So sometimes you can, not sometimes, you can have this CSS file separately, but in my case I have put everything into one HTML1. Okay. Izan, are you concentrating? Do you have any questions? Alright, I will come to you in a moment. You have some issues with the VS Code download. Okay. I will come to you in a moment. Wait. Then these are the colors. As I have mentioned, the hash code of the colors are already given. Dot logo, this will adjust the size of the logo based on your design, and height I have set it to auto.
Wait, I have a question.
Yeah.
Why is your asterisk like at the bottom? Why is my one at the top?
The asterisk.
Yeah.
This is just for the comments. That's it. It's not the part of the code. You can even delete it. It wouldn't even matter. This is just for me to understand and provide you seamless lecture. That's it. This is just my comments. You don't need to copy these comments. Okay. And where was I? Font color, I gave it, okay, margin, I have set it to 20 pixels. And the nav, you will see this nav section over here. What does this represent, Fatin?
Which one?
Nav. It's the navigation bar, right? It will have top and bottom borders. Margin is 15 pixel. I have given border 1, border bottom 1, and so on. This will like isolate the links visually. You will have the links, right? Birthday and home and birthday page, that for that purpose. And another nav A part, this is the actual hyperlink part. Inside this you will have the links of it, the actual hyperlink, which you will need to click. And hover, what I've given over here is the underline. If you hover over a text, it's just to make it a bit more pretty, I mean worthwhile. It's not given in the question though. Okay, that's mainly it. Oh, table you have the table margin and table bottom 20 pixel and 20 pixel each, and it will collapse. And border, table border, inside the table I have given some lines as border, and the padding and I have aligned everything to the left of it. And I've also set the background colors and text align for the table. And this is how you put in the image. You don't need to, if everything is in the same folder, you don't have to give the actual path, Aisha, which you have given previously, ///. You just give the name of the image, logo.jpg. In my case, it's that, logo.jpg. But whatever is your case. Alt, it's optional, but I've given it so that if a person is blind or if they have any physical issues, they can still check the alt text of it. Okay?
What does P mean? P class, what does that mean?
It's just the name of the class.
Wait, why? We specific.
It will display the uppercase string. That's it.
Separate things for navigation bar. Separate things for navigation bar.
Yeah, I have made an entirely separate bar for that navigation.
Also, why are we putting everything in index? Shouldn't we put it in birthday and home as well?
I have created a separate birthday.html later on, which I have linked through here. Okay. Got it? This is the home page, and I've linked the birthday.html through this home page. We will see everything in action in a moment. Okay, and these are some of the text, another heading, these are just copied from the question. Everything is given in the question.
What does strong mean?
To keep everything in bold. Got it? Separates the chunks. It will have everything in, not necessarily in bold, but necessarily in paragraph block. It will have a separate paragraph, a strong paragraph with bold keys.
Why did BR next to it?
BR.
Yeah.
It will have everything in bold. That's it. It will have a separate paragraph and everything in bold. And TR class table head row.
Did we already do the table?
No, that was the styling aspect of it. Okay, and this is the actual columns. This is column number 1, 2, 3, the rows, the next row, and so on and so forth. This is the overall structure.
Okay.
And previously what I have discussed was the styling. That's different. Okay, every detail from here is copied from the question. Everything is given in the question, and I have ended it with a separate paragraph which is also given in the question. That's mainly it, and these are the closing ones: closing paragraph, closing main, closing body, closing
Main,
HTML.
what main?
The main body.
Oh.
Okay, I have linked birthday.html. Now let's check what's inside this birthday.html. Okay. All right. So over here, again, I just gave the logos and the perfect party title, same background color, same logo aspect ratios, and the banner text of it. And I have set the width according to the question, 450 is to 300 pixel over here. The question number was A3111. If you check the question
For the
properly.
home part, will I just take all of it and do it into a separate HTML?
Yes, you have a separate index.html, and birthday is a separate one.
No, for home. There's a third one called home, right?
No, this is a home.
This is the home?
Yes.
But over here it specifically says to make 2 link pages.
Yes, this is the home page, and this is the birthday page.
And you need another H1 page where you put the first parts, right?
No, everything on the basics of it and the home, everything is in the home page, index.html. And just for the birthday part, this is just for the texts of it, the birthday text. That's it. You will just need to show in your exam that you can connect 2 different pages. That's it. The main purpose of this birthday page is to showcase your ability to have a completely different page and your ability to connect it with your home page. That's it. And your ability to change the image width and height, as it was mentioned in your question. Where was the question? Sorry. Set approximately 450 is to 300 pixel. Okay. See, 450 is to 300, and I have given some margins of it, 10, 10, 10, and so on. And they have specifically said the background color to be a bit different, footer. So I have given it a dark purplish theme. You can even tweak it over here according to your question. And overall margin and padding, the footer color, I have given some underline aspect of it, even though it's not mentioned in the question, just to make it separate and stand out. That's it. And the logo, it's your choice. I have given it so that it looks consistent across pages, because it's a one organization, right? If you click on one website to another website in a same organization, the logo should stay over there as a consistency, right? It's a reminder that you are in the perfect party scenario. So I've kept it. That's why. And again, I'm linking the home page. The name would be home, and if you click on home, it will take you straight to index.html.
Why do we have a birthday HTML inside birthday?
I've just given it as an extra. It was blank.
One thing I'm confused is that it says to create a template for the web pages and make it like it's party time and this, and it says using that web page you have to create a home page and a birthday page. So doesn't that mean that you have to make both of those separate?
I have made those separate.
Both home page and from the template.
You can have a template and straight copy it from the template, but what I have done over here is I have done it directly. Yes, I have skipped the template part. You can have another one, template.html. Open another one, template.html, and copy those codes. From there, you can create birthday and index that way. What I have done over here is I have done this properly and copied codes and modified it at birthday.html to save time. That's it.
No, but my question is that didn't the question specifically say to create a navigation bar and only you the template? So wouldn't be those marks for that?
The question said, what did you mean?
The question says a navigation bar to link to each of the pages.
Yeah, it's linked. I will show it to you in a moment. I will demonstrate in a moment. Wait. And this is just the last part of it, where you give the email, and it will open up your email service from your computer. That's mainly it. Okay. All of this thing in birthday is just text copied from the question, and the main aspect from this, what they are looking for, the grading points, is your ability to include images and resize those images accordingly.
Can't you write a different para for every single one? Can't you just make spaces for in one para?
No, you have to have a clear distinction between them, or else it will be jumbled up. It will be side by side. I wanted it to be top to bottom. Okay, let's see. If you open it with live server, by the way, to install live server, you have to head over to the, where was it again? Yeah, over here. Sorry. There is a separate store. Yeah, I was looking for that. Live server. See, you have to download that, and then you can run it through live server. Okay. Okay, what I have created is this, a logo on the left hand side. It's party time, home.
Did you create yourself?
Yeah.
With the logo?
Logo? No. It's just, no, it's from Google Image. I don't have time to create that. My main purpose is to showcase you the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. There's no JavaScript, but HTML, main aspect of it. Drawing part is not for me. I'm bad at drawing. Anyways, this is the table. Visit our page, blah blah blah. These are the text. The main thing what they want is, if you were to click on birthday, a separate page, completely separate page. I know this is no longer useful now, the same birthday what you just told, but I just gave it here. It will just refresh, nothing else. So birthday, some of us, blah blah blah, these are straight from the question. The images are set according to the size, and at the last you have the email address. If I click on this, my email app will open, so I'm not going to click on it.
What if I do this? What if I make three web pages? Will that be fine? Or should I do it like yours?
It's better to do it like mine. It will save you a lot of time.
Okay.
A home page and a birthday page. That's it.
Just because I got confused with the question. I thought template was a separate web page.
No. Template is, main purpose of it is so that you can copy the codes and do it fast enough. But if you are good enough directly, why not use that?
We have Composer. We don't really need that.
I know you can do it through Composer, through drag and drop, but you need to know how to code, right?
No. Like in the question, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I get it. I get your point. Understood everything and understood how everything works?
Yeah. So will I do this at home? Like restart?
Yeah. Birthday. This is the birthday page. The logo stays constant. See, underlines. Separate para. Everything is divided into separate paras. Then image, and finally email. Understood? Any questions? Anyone? Sadman, you are late. And you got cold. Sadman, Izan, Aisha, Arham, Fatin. Any questions? No questions? Alright then, we will end the recording here.